Guess what we have? We have worms. So I thought, ew, why would I want worms? That's gross. But then I decided, you know, worm castings and compost and all that stuff is worm poop. Like compost is worm poop because the worm helps break down the stuff you put in your compost, as well as the other microbes. And then worm castings that you buy in a bag.
Dear human, your clothes are still damp like a sardi sandwich left out in the rain. Toss them into the fiery chamber of the dryer post-haste.
And the worm castings that you buy in a bag at the store is worm poop. And it helps give extra nutrients to your soil. So I thought, well, these worms aren't that expensive. They're pretty affordable. You get 1,000 red wigglers, and they come in some inert, I think it was just peat inside the bag. And so that's the only thing in here is the poop that they've made, their worm castings, and a little bit of the peat that they came in. So Evan and I opened the bag up together. He was actually pretty into it, kind of excited about it. He didn't want to touch too much. He doesn't like touching dirt, and anyways. He likes to touch worms when he's fishing and stuff like that, but he doesn't want to touch the fish. Anyways, so he opened up the bag, which was a struggle, you'll see. And we gave him their first meal and a whole bunch of moisture, because they come pretty like sluggish and dried up a little bit and dehydrated basically from shipping, but they bounce right back. They're wiggly, quick, and well hydrated now. Evan's gonna open the box. So we got a box filled with worms. Go ahead and open it, let's see what's in there.
Well,
we haven't checked yet. Oh, it comes in a bag. All right, let's see how they're doing.
let me. Oh, it doesn't open up that way. Should we do that? Let's put it inside the bat. Inside of here first.
Okay.
Are they like just like locked in there? Do you have to cut the back open?
Oh, maybe pull the string.
I might have to untie the string.
What if you just pull it really tight, or pull it hard, the string?
String? Nope. Let's just try to unknot it.
All right, we're gonna figure out how to open this bag. Worm on the outside, how'd you get out?
Are you sure you're not drowning yet?
Yeah, that looks better already.
Do you think we should just get scissors or? Okay.
So it says so they may arrive less active and smaller, but with a spritz of water they plump up within a day or two. Just need a spritz of water.
Yeah, I don't know how to do that. You think we should just get like the scissors and like cut it through? Right here. Then we can just try to rip the back.
Ooh, that was a close one. Was that oh no, that's not a worm up there.
It's just dirt. Okay, just want to pour it out. Don't want this one to fall.
Shoo, okay, you wanna pour it out?
Sure, I'll do the honors.
Hmm.
Okay, I don't know if I'm gonna hurt you worms, but... Oh, I see all the worms. They're like soilized. That does not look good. Quite a lot of soil.
Mm-hmm.
They're like all knotted up right there. I'm gonna give you guys lots of water. Also, sorry guys, I haven't been in the videos lately.
And why haven't you?
You've been starting the videos before I've gotten home from school.
Oh, that way.
Yup. Since she just finishes the video so quick that I won't have time to be in the video when I get home. So yeah, I took the day off of school, and now I'm actually having time to be in one of her videos. Do you think that's enough water?
Sure. I'll give him the fruit scraps since I have a glove on.
Okay, yeah, sure.
Okay. So we have coffee grounds. I don't know how well this will how quickly this will decompose, so we'll leave it out. This stuff was frozen, and I thawed it out. So there's some of that packaging paper that you get inside boxes, tops of strawberries, pieces of carrot, banana peel, coffee grounds, some more paper towel, and sticker still on that.
Mom, we should do like a time lapse
Oh,
of like the worms eating all of it, or like just like an overnight time lapse.
I have no idea how to make the battery last long enough to do that.
We can just always have it plugged in, or
Oh.
would it record?
I have no idea. Okay, so plenty of moisture and plenty of food for them. Stick it in there. And this is their new home.
I think we should just pour some like water, actual water inside there.
Maybe. Let's gently move them around.
It looks like it needs way more water.
Yeah. You want to squirt while I move? Oh, it's a... Oh my goodness. Look at this clump.
Just worms. They must be a
Wow.
family. Alright, well, we can get like just actual water, because that does not seem...
Okay. Evan's getting a cup of water. I'll try to gently separate them a little bit without smushing or tearing them. They might have been cold, so they were stuck together to be insulated.
Yeah, don't worry, I'm not drowning in any of the worms. So you just see the soil, it's like just drinking it right up. So it's like there's no big bodies of water. It's just a little damp. And yeah, you think that's enough?
Yeah, I think so. If it's too wet, it'll get like really stinky. We don't want it getting stinky.
Crazy, I didn't expect we'd get this much worms.
Bought them in bulk. It wasn't all that expensive or anything.
Basically a worm farm.
Yeah. Just for the benefits of the worm castings. Oh yeah, definitely plenty of liquid in here. Gently. Ooh, wow, look.
Oh my goodness.
Big old gob. I was going to separate it between two of these, but I don't have my second one.
Crazy.
Yeah, it is.
See that's just
I
crazy.
think we got them spread out somewhat well.
Show them a big chunk of worms, because I don't think they'd be able to see it that well. Yeah, I see all of that.
Oh, that'd be a good thumbnail too.
Oh yeah.
Get it real close.
Okay, yeah, that's like perfect. But yeah. So yeah, there's like probably like over, probably like 1,000 worms in here.
I can't remember what it was.
But yeah, just crazy, crazy. This is really cool. So much worms. I had low expectations, like when we were first pouring them out, till you just see, like I thought it was all dirt because how covered they were. Felt
Right.
bad for them inside there. And then just boom. Like
They're
just,
probably trying to stay warm because they did arrive very cold.
yeah. But yeah, I thought it was just dirt, but no, just boom, like lots of worms, like a whole family, like it was just crazy.
Okay, I just topped them with some tissue for insulation. Try to get that one near the food. There you are. Okay, this is an adventure we're going on together. We are not worm experts at all. But I've watched a few videos, so I feel like we've given them what they need. And that's it. We'll keep you posted. Thanks, Evan, for being in the video.
Yes, ma'am. Yeah, don't get mad if we're doing anything wrong, because this is our first year ever doing this, and we're not like really trained at this. All we've really had experience of is just watching videos. So do not get mad if we do anything wrong, and put any like suggestions in the comment section if you have any ideas for the worm farm.
We'll appreciate your suggestions. So to keep airflow in, I'm not gonna secure it. I'm just gonna lay it on top so that way maybe
We could actually drill holes or maybe poke holes.
we could. We could. Or we could leave a little gap right there.
I mean, I feel like it would get super duper hot inside there.
we just mashed up those bananas and kiwi. They were both old, past their prime. The banana was good for like banana bread or something like that, but I already have frozen bananas for that. And the kiwi was, I bought kiwis and they just weren't good. They were either too hard, too soft, too tangy, too sweet, just not good. So they were gonna go in the compost anyways. So this is a Sterilite container, 12 quarts, cost me like $5 at Walmart. And the worms cost me, I can't remember exactly, but it wasn't that much. It was fine. However much you'd spend eating a meal at a restaurant for two, anyways. So I can have worm castings for life instead of going out to dinner one night. Good way to look at it. And they'll just keep making more and more. So I'll just let it keep accumulating. I'll keep giving them food once a week, once every 2 weeks. Just kind of check on them once a week and see what they have in here. Make sure I can see undecomposed food. That way they have something to munch on, and give them a little bit more here and there until this is pretty full. And then I will extract some of the worm castings and use it in the garden, use it in seed starting. I know I'll have quite a bit by the time we start seeds next winter, basically. Yeah, February, March. So that'll be exciting. That'll be really cool. We'll have some really healthy plants. So while I thought this would be a kind of odd thing to have, you saw me just take it off the top shelf of the grow station. You can't tell what it is. It doesn't stink at all. It just looks like a container holding dirt on a grow station that looks perfectly normal. So it's just gonna sit there. It doesn't bother me. I don't notice it. And the worms don't try to crawl out. And I just keep the lid on like that so they have a little bit of airflow in there. And it's no big deal. So it's not as odd of a hobby or a pet of 1,000 worms. It's not as odd anymore as I thought it would be. It's actually kind of neat, making my own compost in a way. And they're just something. They're like just something to take care of, you know. They're a lot easier than a dog, though. So we got them from Mimi's Worms. I will put a link in the description. It's not an affiliate link or anything like that. It's just the website URL. And then I Googled a coupon code and I used whatever one I could find. That was the best one I could find. I don't remember what it was, but you can Google coupon codes and see if you can find something there too. Take a few bucks off. So if you get you some pet worms, tag me in the description of your video if you make one, or send me a picture on on your community tab and then tag me there. I'd be happy to see how yours are doing. But this is kind of neat after all. And I just like the tissue on top to kind of, I don't know, make them feel more secluded or private or feel a little more underground, and to keep things from drying out. Just kind of like a little cover under the lid here. So thanks for watching. Thanks for being here. I'm gonna go put these back on the shelf and ignore them for a week. Have a wonderful day. Feel free to like and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.